Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Joshua. I'm a student assistant at the Information, Resource, and Technology Department, or IRT, here at Sacramento State. In today's video, I'll be going over the top 5 cloud services that IRT provides for all students, staff, and faculty. We'll begin the video by talking about My Sac State, followed by Sac CT, My Cloud, Office 365, and finishing it off with My Sac Link. Let's get started, shall we?
So one of the most used cloud services on campus is My Sac State. And My Sac State provides you a wide variety of services. So if you ever need to check your SacLink email, your student center, you can even connect to your Sac CT through it. Towards the top of the page, you have these different tabs. In the student service tab, you have your one card information, where you can add Hornet bugs and see what your balance is. Now in the library tab, you can see which books you've checked out and when they're due. And in the campus life tab, you can keep up with all your favorite teams here at Sac State, like the football team or the volleyball team. And there's a ton of other things that you can do under these tabs. So let's backtrack a little bit and let's talk about Sac CT. You may actually already be familiar with Sac CT. A lot of community colleges and universities are using this service, but they may be calling it Blackboard or something else. And on here you can participate in discussion boards as well as connect with your professors and fellow students. You can even see how you're doing in a certain class by checking your grades. Some professors might like to do their grading old school, like on pen and paper. Make sure to talk to your professor to see which method they'll be using for the class. And one of my favorite services here on campus is called My Cloud. So what My Cloud is, it's a computer lab environment that you can access from anywhere with an internet connection. You have access to Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and we even have programs like SPSS that deal with statistical analysis. Just know that you will need to download the Citrix receiver on your personal device to use My Cloud. So now let's talk about Office 365. Office 365 might be a little different than what you're used to. The cool thing about it is that it's all online and free for all students. It comes in handy when you're using a computer that doesn't have Microsoft Office on it. You can use Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel all through your internet browser. And then you can access it anywhere and at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. One thing though is that you do have to log in using your SacLink credentials. You can also access your SacLink email through here. Just click where it says Mail. Now I'd suggest checking your SacLink email frequently, just in case your professor does need to contact you. You can have it set up on your phone using the Outlook app. There are a ton of other options you have on Office 365. You have Microsoft Sway, which is something you may have never used or heard of, but it's similar to PowerPoint. Sway is primarily used to present ideas on screen rather than to an audience. While we're talking about Microsoft, check out this really cool phone app called Office Lens. Lens isn't your typical camera app. It allows you to take photos of whiteboards, printed documents, and business cards, and then Lens digitally enhances them so that it looks like a scanned image captured straight on. You should definitely check out the other options you have on here. You never know, you might find them useful. And to end this video off, I'll talk about My Sac Link. We all have, at one point or another, forgotten our password for a particular site. If that ever happened to you with any Sac State related websites, like your Sac CT or your My Sac State, then you should definitely check out My Sac Link. The site allows most Sac State users to manage and reset their passwords. Now, My Sac Link isn't just about resetting your username and password. You can also access your personal web page.
And with that, we finish the top 5 cloud services that IRT provides for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to visit us at the service desk in the AIRC building, room 2005. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.